welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore, Banni Grasslands in the Kachchh region, Gujarat. We often talk about forest, but did you know that grasslands are equally important and are now under threat? Let's explore how the Banni Grasslands of Kachchh region in Gujarat can be restored. The Kachchh district in Gujarat is home to one of the largest tracts of grassland in India, known as the Banni Grasslands. Once sprawling across 3,800 square kilometers, the area has now shrunk to about 2,600 square kilometers due to various factors. But how can these vital grasslands be restored? A new study by researchers at KSKV Kachchh University in Bhuj offers some insights. The researchers categorized the Banni Grasslands into 5 zones based on their suitability for restorations. Highly suitable, 937 square kilometers, that is 36% of the land, can be easily restored by providing adequate water sources through irrigation or rainwater harvesting. Suitable, 728 square kilometers of land, that is 28% of the land, falls into the category where restoration can be achieved with similar water management strategies. Moderately suitable, 714 square kilometers, that is 27% of the land, requires additional efforts, but grassland expansion is still feasible. Marginally suitable, 182 square kilometers land, that is 7%, needs interventions like terracing and protection from erosion and soil intrusion. Not suitable land, it covers 61 square kilometers, that is 2% of the land, presents significant challenge but can still be managed with targeted efforts. So why is this study important? Let's understand. This study provides a detailed assessment that could serve as a foundation for policies aimed at protecting and rehabilitating degraded grasslands. According to Dr. Seema Bhargav Sharma, who led the study, the analysis covers multiple soil characteristics such as nutrient availability, soil acidity, and water holding capacity. This holistic approach offers a more accurate picture of the grassland's conditions, filling gaps left by the previous research that focused on smaller sample plots or single indicators like vegetation cover. But do you know about the methodology used in research? The study analyzed 45 soil samples from the Banni Grasslands and used satellite data from Sentinel-2 and ASTER to assess factors like land use, slope, and geomorphology. This comprehensive approach covering 20 parameters make it one of the most thorough assessment of grassland suitability. That's all for today. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.